The Toyota Landcruiser FJ45 Pickup Model 2025 returns as a tribute to timeless ruggedness fused with modern engineering. This iconic truck retains the legendary boxy and bold stance that defined its heritage, but now with sharper LED headlamps, a blacked-out front grille, and steel bumpers for a robust, off-road-ready appearance. The 2025 model features an elevated chassis and flared wheel arches that house 18-inch all-terrain tires, giving it a muscular and intimidating presence on any terrain. Underneath, the suspension system has been heavily reinforced, offering a modern coil spring setup with upgraded dampers for better comfort and improved off-road articulation. Whether it's climbing rocky trails or gliding over sandy landscapes, the FJ45 offers superior ground clearance and axle articulation, making it a true off-roading machine. The rigid ladder frame chassis ensures maximum durability while reducing vibration during rugged expeditions. When it comes to road grip and speed, the 2025 FJ45 is fitted with an advanced 4x4 drivetrain with low-range gearing, differential locks, and traction control for optimal grip on challenging surfaces. Its 3.0L turbocharged diesel engine delivers both torque and reliability, enabling this beast to reach highway speeds with confidence while also conquering off-road paths with authority. With precise steering response and upgraded braking, the overall driving performance feels powerful yet controlled. Inside, the cabin has been modernized without sacrificing the rugged appeal. The dashboard features a clean, matte black design with brushed metal accents and a fully digital instrument cluster. The infotainment system supports both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, adding a layer of connectivity to the retro-inspired cockpit. The seats come upholstered in durable tan leather, offering support and comfort whether you're on a city road or a desert trail.